Despite several reports of machines being used in sand mining in several places under Nilip constituency, the activities continued unabated. Sounds of machines running in the river to suck out sand from the riverbed could be seen daily. Here is a report from our correspondent. The sand mahaldars engaged in sand mining from the Panjan River under Nilip MSC constituency are unable to put a check on the use of machines despite government's ban on it. This unrestrained and uncontrolled extraction of sand from riverbed is causing massive damage in the area. Panjan is the native place of local MSC Pobitro Rongpi, yet he has utterly failed to take any action on this matter despite being widely reported in the media. Locals fear that if the mining continues at such destructive rate, then nothing will be left for the next generation. The most evident impact of using machines in mining is the erosion of riverbanks. In addition to this, the vehicles that are engaged in transportation of sand leaving a massive impact on the road connectivity, damaging roads of the area. On Friday night, a truck loaded with wet sand got stuck on the road near Mirabhiti Bridge. The reason was the road being unable to support the weight of the truck. This resulted in halting of vehicular movement in the area. However, no action was taken on the truck. It is true that the Department of Forest and Environment is earning revenue from the transported sand. But the question that haunts the mind of local residents is, if all resources are exhausted today, then the next generation would be severely affected by this careless exploitation. Following this, locals have urged the authority to monitor the mining activities so that it can be done in a sustainable way. Sanjit Crow's report from Chokiola for Carbon Live.